3D printing has become way more popular in general engineering recently. Pressures on supply chain mean that customers require turnarounds as quickly as possible. General engineering businesses therefore can utilise 3D printing additive manufacturing as a very versatile technology to produce parts across a multitude of applications. There's some common misconceptions to owning a 3D printer in a general engineering business. Many people believe they require a metal 3D printer. It's certainly not the case. A polymer 3D printer is ideal for most of the applications and will give you a far quicker return on investment. Others may have had a smaller or lower cost system in the past. This is fine for trying to at least see if it can take advantage of 3D printing, but you may have had a degree of inaccuracy, unreliability that may have left you underwhelmed. That's certainly not the case when you go to a production level system like the Stratasys machines. As engineers, you'll be used to programming your CNC equipment. It's not the case with the Stratasys 3D printer. You already have the 3D CAD files, put them into the software, press the green flag and you're away. You're printing parts from day one. You may also believe that polymer 3D printed parts aren't right for your applications. It's certainly not the case. Our advanced production grade thermoplastics are ideal for a wide range of applications in general engineering. Our materials are capable of taking over 200 degrees centigrade and can take high tensile strengths, high impact strengths, and are even chemically resistant for materials like Skydroll or MEK. Customers may believe that 3D printing is moving too fast. If they invest in a printer, they'll get left behind. It's certainly not the case with Stratasys. Stratasys put a hell of a lot of investment into producing new materials. A machine like the Fortus 450 has new materials added to it regularly that you can take advantage of. This system is so far in advance of any other technology on the market that everyone else is playing catch up. A Stratasys 3D printer is a complementary device for any general engineering company. It will go alongside your CNC equipment or inspection systems and will print parts to help you to produce more production components quicker and reduce bottlenecks in your production process. Some of the many applications a Stratasys 3D printer can be utilised for in a general engineering work environment include metal forming, such as sheet metal forming or tube bending. We can also produce work holding for your CNC machines. We can produce soft jaws. You can hold a component and machine them utilising the nylon 12 carbon fibre material. We can also produce CMM fixtures, inspection fixtures of any kind in fact. We can also produce assembly fixtures where you can hold a component whilst it's welded or bonded together. There's never been a better time to invest in a Stratasys 3D printer. The range of applications we can cover delivers a very fast return on investment. Work alongside us and we can show you how you can take advantage of this technology.